In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the process of running the model through the run command. I'll be using the .gem file I saved in the previous tutorial, which contained the slab and the 4 columns. To begin running the model, click on Run. Now, an export BE file save box appears requesting that you save the .lc file. .lc standing for load case, obviously. I will call it tutorial1 and click Save. Notice that after saving the .lc file, a new folder was created automatically. Now, this folder, as you can see here, is called deadweight. Now, in the first tutorial, I had edited a load case and called it deadweight. Thus, if there were other load cases, then you would have seen the different load case folders. After saving the .lc file using the run command, automatically the PL core gen appears. Notice that I have deadweight selected. I will run using the pl.exe command line solver to run the model. So I'm going to click run, pl.exe, and the model is run. Now, after running, you'll notice that the process is outlined here. Now what concerns me is that the running of the model and the solving of the chosen load was done successfully. So I'm going to be looking for this line over here, where it says deadweight previously solved successfully. After running the model, you'll notice that the box has been grayed. That means that the load case has been solved. These indications help you especially when dealing with many load cases. I can rerun the load case again if I want to. There are different meanings to the box. If the box is not ticked as shown here, that means that the load case was originally not solved, or it will not be solved as it is not chosen. If the box is chosen as so, that means that it will be solved as in the beginning. However, it can also mean that the load case was solved incorrectly, therefore it needs to be adjusted. After the adjustments to the load cases, you can reopen the new adjusted load case file by going to the file, reopen.lc file, and the load case will be loaded. I will show you an alternative way that you can save the .lc file and run the model. So now I'll close the PL Core Manager. I'm going to open the folder that has the .lc file and the load case folder. I'm right click delete and delete as well the deadweight folder. I'm going to go back to my PL Gen. Second alternative is I can click on BE files at the top here. The export BE dialog box appears asking me to save the .lc file. So I'm going to call it tutorial1 as we called it previously. And save. I can open the load case file through the PL Core Manager itself. So I'm going to choose it here, PL Core Manager. Now I want to load the load case that I just created or saved. So I'm going to go File, Open.lc file. I'm going to choose the tutorial1 LC file. Notice that the load case will be loaded into the interface. This will be obviously suitable for you if you use the BE files methods of exporting the .lc files. I will then run the model. The model has been run successfully. I will then open the PL post through the run PL post. This is the post-processing tool which loads the numerical model. The PL post offers a diverse array of results and analysis tools such as viewing rotations, deflection, shears, bending moments, and torsion moment of the slab. The PL post will be outlined in more detail in another tutorial. Before concluding this tutorial, notice the flexibility that the PL pack offers to its users. The ability to manipulate any part of your files, whether geometry, load cases, or in running the model, plus the accuracy and the speed in getting your results.